Tech support might be a threat. Hey guys, welcome back to CyberPeace TV. Today we are going to discuss the cybersecurity aspect of tech support. Several awareness campaigns often advise that to avoid virus attacks, the consumers must upgrade their software as fraudsters resort to different tricks in order to pull up scams. While this is important and good advice, but while purchasing the antivirus, one must make sure to do thorough research. Tech fraud is one of the most prevalent online scams one can fall prey to. In this case, the scammer calls up the victim pretending to be a customer service person, tech support or representative. They might as well discuss bank account, license renewal, etc. But the catch is that they are selling expensive tech services in the name of helping people in need. Thereafter, they convince people to provide them with the credentials for getting unauthorized access to their data. Reputed companies will never ask for your credentials or such access. This is a way of getting into your device and trespassing your data. They might pretend to know a problem, ask you to open files that look alarming, making their scam even more truthful, and then ask you to give them your details. Do not fall for this. In case you need help, contact the retailer directly. Fake virus alert. Whenever one visits a fake website, certain pop-ups will inevitably appear on your screen through a link of spam email. One might receive spam emails through adware where malicious codes can actually persuade you to download the free software. Fraudsters also trick people with Android and Apple devices with phone alerts. Fake tech support calls with fake warnings are also pretty prevalent. You might get calls from fake cybersecurity companies who are very good at mimicking tech brands. They might call out a list of malware or files in your device or a blaring sound to ignite the fear in the victim. One might be convinced to call a toll-free number or click on a link to buy antivirus software. Once they are convinced that the victim has actually believed them, the fraudsters will put a demand for a lump sum amount of money for repairs, new software and other services. They might ask for credit card numbers or request payment by gift cards or online transactions. Fraudsters create look-alike pages that look exactly like the real ones. The fraudsters take real care that they hack the real programs and put the code halfway through the process. Due to this, the user might receive warning messages indicating a toll-free number. Once you call, the fraudsters will act like tech support and extract sensitive information and will confirm to you that the installation process has been successful. Warning: you might get a call from Microsoft or Apple offering tech support. Do not fall for it, because they do not initiate a communication until the customer makes the first move. A pop-up or a blue screen appears indicating the presence of malware. That indicates a toll-free number to get tech support. The message or pop-up contains bad or grammatically incorrect English. You might get asked to pay through a gift card or wire transfer. Now here are some basic safety measures. Do not believe in caller IDs as the fraudsters resort to spoofing. Do not call the toll-free number in the pop-up. Real warnings will never ask you to call. Do not click on links in the pop-up even to shut down the window. This could lead you to the scam site. Do not open previously closed browsers. Do not share personal information with a person who calls right after a few days or weeks after you have purchased the tech support. It might be for a fake refund to get hold of your bank details. Reach out to the tech company yourself. Now, if you are a victim, resort to the following measures. Report immediately. Contact your nearest cyber cell or file a police complaint or visit the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal at cybercrime.gov.in. Call your credit card company and ask to make the necessary changes. Check your bank and credit card statements for inaccuracies. Uninstall the apps that the fraudsters had asked you to install earlier. Run a full scan of your device. So that's it from today's episode. For any assistance, reach out to our WhatsApp helpline number at 957-000-0066. Thank you so much for watching CyberPeace TV. We will see you soon in the very next episode.